Welcome! Today we are honoring the energy of the moon. This is the perfect practice during the full moon when emotions arise and our intuition becomes louder. Begin in child's pose. Feel the earth beneath you supporting your body. Set an intention. What are you ready to let go of? Inhale. Stretch arms long. Exhale. Walk your hands to the left, grounding the palms. Feel the deep stretch through the right side body. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the right, breathing into your left side. Come to tabletop. Inhale, arch the spine, gaze lifts. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. Flow with your breath. Last inhale here and exhale. Flip your palms so fingertips face your knees. Gently lean back to stretch the forearms. Sit back on your heels, make gentle circles with your wrists. Inhale, reach up, and as you exhale, bringing right forearm to the mat, stretch the left arm overhead. Switch sides. Come to tabletop. Tuck the toes, lift into down dog. Pedal the feet, ground the hands. Come to the top of the mat, hold your elbows and just rock side to side. Let's start with our Moon Salutation. Sequence invites you to slow down, connect inward, and restore balance in body and mind. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, stretch gently to the right, opening the left side body. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to the left. Step wide, bend the knees, open the arms, ground into your hips, goddess pose. Inhale, straighten the legs, turn right foot out, reach forward and tilt into triangle. Square hips, fall over right leg. Bend right knee, step back with the left foot. Open the heart. Pivot to face side of the mat. Walk to back of the mat. Bend left knee, reach arms up. Straighten the left leg, fold into pyramid. Open into triangle on the left. Inhale, rise. Sink back into goddess pose. Feel the transformation. Reach up and arc side to side. Feel how much freer your body feels now. Come back to center. reach up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look up. Exhale, step back, plank, chaturanga, upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Lower to tabletop, then slide arms forward, melting to the earth. Lower to belly, forearms down, lift chest softly, open your heart, Sphinx pose. Return to child's pose. Stay here, breathe deeply. Feel the change within you. As you inhale, lift back up and transition to pigeon. Right leg forward, left leg is extended behind. And exhale, fall forward, melt into the ground. Last inhale here, and as you exhale, come back. Bring right foot to left inner thigh. Inhale, reach arms up, and as you exhale, fall forward. Last inhale here, and as you exhale, come back. Switch legs and fall forward over the right leg. Last inhale here, and as you exhale, come back. Bring left leg forward now for pigeon pose on the other side. Breathe in and exhale, fall forward. Last inhale here, and as you exhale, come back. Hug knees to chest, rock side to side. Extend both legs on the ground and hug the right knee and drop to the left. Look towards the right arm. Come back to center and switch sides. Hug the left knee, twist and look towards the left arm. Come back to center. Bring the soles of your feet together, knees wide, laying down. Let your heart remain open. Breathe gently. Come back to center and extend the legs and prepare for Shavasana. Allow your body to be completely supported by the earth. The full moon is a powerful time to shed old skins. Let each breath guide you into stillness. With every exhale, release the weight you've been carrying. With every inhale, receive the peace that follows release. Know that transformation begins within, and you're already in the process. Rest here as the moon watches over you. Begin to bring awareness back into your body. Start with your breath, feeling the gentle rise and fall in your chest. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Maybe roll your wrists or ankles, soft, intuitive movements. Take a slow, deep inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Let go of anything else that needs to be released. Begin to stretch your arms overhead. Take a long body stretch. Bend your knees and gently roll over to your right side. Take a moment here. Honor the work you've done. Honor what you're letting go of. When you're ready, press into your hands and slowly bring yourself up to a comfortable seated position, keeping the eyes closed or softly gazing downward. Bring your palms together and begin to rub them, creating heat, energy, life between your hands. Gently cover your face with your arms. Let your hands be like moonlight, soft, healing, full of intention. Feel your own warmth, your own presence. Let this moment seal your practice. Bring your hands together in front of your heart. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up, for tending to your inner world. Let this practice guide you in shedding what no longer serves you and stepping into your power with softness and grace. From my heart to yours, Namaste.